I've got the door frame, I suppose you could say, all mocked up here. So like I said, door seal works like this. So we're looking at the right hand side here. Now we'll look at the seal from the top. You can see it, flexible part here, external seal here, and then this is rigid, so you'd say PVC, I don't know, I'm not sure exactly what material it is. Anyway, see that gap there? Slots in there. Like that. I know it's hard to see, but basically the screw goes in this way and screws this up into the frame here. This is an external seal here that seals against the external frame, and then that little lip on the inside there seals against here. Yeah, please don't mind that really crappy tack wheel there, sorry. So you can see, hooks in. So the external and two internal seals. One of them being that seal there, and also this frame flange on the back here that I tacked in. Okay, that's one part. Now, back in a sec. Okay, we're back. Now, this is the centaflex hinge. Now, it wants to stay open, but anyway, that goes that way and compresses and fits into that gap across the top. Now, a centaflex hinge takes about approximately 16 mil, but I've left 20, as you can see by the spacer there, because the whole frame will just move up a little bit, no big deal. And then that goes in there. So we'll return when the centaflex hinge is fitted and the frame is tacked together. Back in a minute.